dear kids, welcome back to our English class. In our last video, we have discussed about prose comprehension. Now, our today's topic is poetry comprehension. Do you know what is poetry comprehension? Okay, importance of poetry. Poetry helps kids to develop their memory and brain power. It increases interest. Nursery rhymes and songs are special for that. Do you know? Poetry is always loved by kids. You know, when you are very small, your mother used to sing a lori to please you. Even in school, nursery school teachers also use rhymes and songs to teach the kids. Yes, so poetry, poems, songs, all these are very loved by us. Poetry teach us many things. Poetry helps in language development, creative language skills and creative writing skills. Poetry motivates us to read, improves vocabulary, fluency, expression and writing. Each of these is useful for children to develop in order to become strong reader. So, poetry increases the interest of children in reading. You know, whenever we find our favorite song or our favorite rhymes, we repeat it again and again, and it always in our mind. We remember it easily. Yes? Okay, now here are some tips how we have to solve the poetry comprehension. So, first of all, read the given poem again and again till you understand the content fully. So, don't read it once and leave. Read it again and again. Underline the main ideas, keywords, rhyming words and phrase and lines which are related to the questions. So, whenever you find the rhyming words and main words, keywords, you have to do the underline. Write the answers in your own words. Don't copy the stanza of the poem as it is. Write the answer in your own word, in your own sentences. The answer should be brief and to the point. Don't write long answers. Answer should be brief. Now, the students are accepted to read the given poem 2 or 3 times to grasp the contents fully. If you are reading the poem once only, you are not getting the main idea. Okay, so for understand fully, you have to read it 2 or 3 times until you don't understand it. Find out answers to the questions, ask and write them down in your own words, and then use your own words to give the answer. Okay? Now here is one poem for practice. Let us read the following poem and try to write the answers. Okay? You have to keep your eyes on the poem. Let us read. Be careful what you say or do when you visit the animals at the zoo. Don't make fun of the camel's hump. He is very proud of his noble bump. Don't laugh too much at the chimpanzee. He thinks he is as wise as you or me. And the penguins strutting round the lake. Can you understand the remarks you make? Treat them as well as they do you, and you will always be welcome at the zoo. So here, what is the poem is about? Exactly, this is the poem is about zoo, and it is about the zoo animal. Yes. Now you have to read this poem twice or thrice. Okay. Now just now we are going to the question answers. What are we to be careful about at the zoo? Yes, we are to be careful of what we say and do. Second question, what is a camel proud of? Yes, answer is camel is proud of his noble hump. Third question, what does a chimpanzee think about himself? He thinks he is as wise as you or me. What does the poem say about penguins? Penguins strut around the lake. Find out the rhyming words of the following. Hump, bump, lake, make. So this is the example of the poetry comprehension. Yes. Now one more poem I have for you to comprehend. Okay. So read this poem and answer the following. Okay. This is for your practice. These are the questions. You have to write it in your notebook. Thank you. I hope you understand the poetry comprehension and it is very useful for you. Take care. Bye bye.